In this Ventra Pro video, we will give our attention to adding and then setting up on-off type lights that are running on a relay channel. So we'll first of all just add the device, which is system setup, and then arrowing down to where we have press enter to add a control device. We can plus and minus through the list, and when we get to lights, we can choose that. We'll choose this as our first on-off light channel for zone 1, this room. Set 1 is the set we're working with. We certainly could add up multiple sets. This will be on module 1, which is this Ventra Pro controller box. It'll be one of the relay channels here, and we'll choose to put it on, how about if we use channel 18? Are you sure we confirm that? We could add more devices, but in this case we've got it added, and we can either go system setup right and left to choose the device, or we can just go straight to the hotkey right next to the channel 18 toggle switch. So here it shows lights. The control that we have on-off type lights, there's obviously no dimmer output. That would have to be a variable light, but in this case we can set up various age and then times of days. So we'll go ahead and set this up age 1 when they're placed. We'll go ahead and we'll just leave the first one at 00 or midnight, and we'll go to turn them off at, why don't we say we'll just go to 2300 hours, so it's 23 hours for the first week. We hit the plus key, we go to our second slot, number 2. We'll put in another age, and we'll say at age 8. We'll go ahead and change this setting to, maybe we'll do 4 a.m. And then we'll take that to 2100 hours. So this yields us a 17-hour of daylight going forward. So we'll just do the 2 settings, but obviously by hitting the plus key we can add others. If we want to go back and look at our first setting, we can do that. So these are all, that's all available there. So you can put in whatever settings, changing by age. So if it's for broilers or pullets or whatever kind of changes you want to make, you can do that by doing a time schedule. So that's the primary function with our lighting control, is by a time of day. We also have, if you arrow down one more notch, we have run for. So this is a temporary turn on if we need to, if we're in there and are doing some work and it happens to be during the off hours of the control running in auto, you can actually turn this on for a period of time of minutes, seconds, or hours. Whatever you choose. So by choosing this, we can actually just, we need 5 minutes, fine. We can do 5 minutes, and it'll turn that channel on and leave it on for that period of time. So those are the options we have for setting that up. And